Two top outsourcing platforms, millions of users, and one burning question: which one truly delivers for your business? On the left, Fiverr, the global bazaar for freelance gigs. And on the right, OnlineJobs, your gateway to reliable Filipino virtual assistants. Let's skip past the hype and get straight to the things that matter most. Each round earns points, and at the finish line, it's crystal clear who comes out ahead. The winner might just surprise you. Here's a quick mind map of what we'll cover. First up is pricing model, who's actually saving you cash, then project types and duration, because not all work is a quick turnaround. Next, talent pool and specialization, since skill sets and global reach matter. After that, hiring process and vetting, followed up by client-freelancer relationship, which is not always as friendly as you think. Platform control and flexibility jumps in next, and we wrap it up with speed to hire. I know it's a lot, but stick with me. Okay, first stop, pricing model. Let's talk cash because, well, honestly, who doesn't care about that? Fiverr's kinda sneaky. You don't pay upfront as a client, and freelancers start their offers as low as $5. Pretty sweet, right? And yeah, there's always a but. There's that 20% commission that slices into freelancer earnings plus service fees when you buy. Those hidden platform fees can definitely sneak up on you. Now, OnlineJobs.ph flips things around. You're looking at a flat monthly subscription to connect with talent. No commission on the worker's pay, and you can literally negotiate and pay them outside the platform. The catch? You do gotta pay up front month to month, so if you forget to cancel, ouch. But compared to Fiverr, OnlineJobs.ph definitely wins when it comes to cost efficiency over time. Moving on, project types and duration. If you just need a job done fast, a logo by tomorrow, or a quick video edit, Fiverr's where you wanna be. It's built for those short, one-off gigs, super rapid turnaround, all sorts of creative and digital stuff. But if you're thinking long-term, not so much. Building an actual team with Fiverr, rare. Now OnlineJobs is basically the polar opposite. It shines for long-term roles. You want a VA for the whole year. They're into repeatable, ongoing tasks and actually let you build team loyalty and culture. Downside though, getting the right person on board takes time, but if commitment matters to you, OnlineJobs.ph takes this round. Alright, talent pool and specialization, this is where things get pretty interesting. Fiverr is, honestly, a global smorgasbord. Millions of freelancers worldwide, all sorts of skills from design to tech to marketing. Got some random niche job? You'll probably find someone here, but fair warning, quality swings all over the place. You gotta hunt. OnlineJobs, all talent is Filipino. That's actually cool for consistent English, affordability, and crazy loyalty, especially for admin or support stuff. Not so much if you need some highly specialized expert on the other side of the globe, though. In the specialization department, Fiverr comes out ahead, hands down. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know? Over 56% of business owners in 2025 have used Fiverr or OnlineJobs.ph to outsource work. Makes sense, right? It's basically become the normal way to get stuff done if you're running a business. Wild. Now, hiring process and vetting. Fiverr's basically the fast food equivalent of hiring. Browse, pick, pay, done. Not much formal vetting from their side though, so it's on you to check those reviews and portfolios. Want to move instantly? This is your jam. On the flip side, OnlineJobs shows you detailed resumes and skill profiles. You get to chat directly with candidates, and yeah, you run your own background checks and interviews. It's thorough but kinda time-consuming. If you need something this afternoon, Fiverr's gonna win. If you want a new teammate for life, it's a toss-up, but for speed and convenience right now, Fiverr takes it. Next up, client-freelancer relationship. Fiverr is transactional, make your order, get the work, and see ya. Building any kind of loyalty or long-term team? Honestly, don't hold your breath. OnlineJobs totally flips the script. You negotiate terms directly, set up longer ongoing roles, and there's real room for trust and control on both sides. You will have to put in some effort to build that trust, though. If you want someone who's gonna stick around, OnlineJobs.ph wins this category. Moving on, platform control and flexibility. Fiverr keeps everything locked down, payments, disputes, even conversations, so it's super safe, I'll give them that. But every little transaction means more fees, and you can't take relationships off platform, so some might say a bit handcuffed. Now OnlineJobs.ph is like, here's the keys, just don't crash the car. You can negotiate and pay however you want, even take it all off platform once you found your match. There's less protection if things go sideways, of course, but flexibility-wise, OnlineJobs.ph absolutely wins here. Last one, speed to hire. Fiverr is ridiculously fast. Got an idea at breakfast, hire someone by lunch. Gig workers reply instantly. You can literally start projects the same day. Downside: you might sacrifice quality since there's less vetting. OnlineJobs.ph, definitely more of a process. You've got to post a job, sift through applicants, interview, negotiate, can take days, sometimes weeks. Though if speed's your thing, Fiverr wins without question. Quick peek at both platforms stacked side by side. Fiverr's punching hard on speed and global reach, while OnlineJobs.ph scores with relationship building, cost control, and flexibility. It's kinda like comparing a vending machine to a personal chef. Both have their place, you know. So bottom line, use Fiverr if you want a super quick, global, one-off project. If you actually want someone loyal sticking around long-term, OnlineJobs.ph is your best bet. Honestly, a lot of smart businesses use both. Fiverr for the crazy, urgent, creative stuff, and OnlineJobs.ph for people who will be part of their team for ages. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.